The following is a presentation by VMAP Nuclear on spherical video mapping for the nuclear industry. Here is a quick introduction into what VMAP has to offer. VMAP technology employees have over 25 years of experience performing various engineering and maintenance services at many of the world's nuclear and fossil facilities, including non-destructive testing services such as eddy current inspection of critical components like steam generators, feed water heaters, and condensers. And with all of this experience, we have found a need. Through the years, we've had to navigate through some of the most intricate and complex buildings that this industry has to offer. The interior of nuclear power plants can be disorienting. Too many doors, too many ways to go, too many uncertainties. And after spending too much time in pre-job briefs without really knowing what to expect on the job site or how to get there, we always thought that there has got to be a better way. And now there is. Using the same high-tech 360-degree spherical video camera that Google Maps Street View put on their cars to map the world's city streets, VMAP is now using this same technology to record video maps, only on the indoors. Google Street View couples GPS coordinates to its imagery and links it to its street maps. However, GPS does not work on the inside of buildings. So instead, we use a different approach. We link XY positioning data in buildings with the floor maps and then integrate it with the recorded 360-degree video throughout these buildings. The result is a new way to view, explore, and plot routes through your building's complex maze of passageways, and to view your plant's components, structures, and rooms without having to gain access, and thereby exposing yourself to unnecessary risk. VMAP gives your workers, your management, and plant and industry officials a better visual tool for training, pre-job briefs, dose reduction, and most importantly, security and safety at your site's facility. VMAP offers two different products and services: VMAP Insight and VMAP Live. VMAP Insight is the service where we record video maps on your site, on the inside and outside of your buildings. These video maps can then be played back to navigate any route that you can build in the software, as well as instantly click and view anywhere in the building. VMAP Live is a product that provides live streaming 360-degree video from installed camera locations anywhere on your site. These cameras can be located on the inside and outside of your facilities and can be monitored so that all directions are viewable at once, without any camera rotation or panning. This solution is perfect for monitoring secure fences or entry-exit locations, as well as monitoring critical areas in the buildings like RP access points. Here we discuss some applications for this technology at nuclear facilities. Typically, there are many different groups of people at a utility site that can use recorded and live spherical video. Some of these groups include security, training, ALARA, planning, and emergency preparedness. Some examples of applications include in the security force, training new employees. The turnover rate in this group is typically pretty high. Using live feeds throughout the site to monitor access gates, doors, and fences. Since 9/11, there have been many additional security levels enforced. Monitoring towers built, additional barriers put in place. This live streaming video can fill the gaps and add another level of live coverage. With ALARA, health physics and radiation protection support, RP briefs at the desk can now be more interactive and visual. Show the workers the low-dose waiting areas. Show them where to set up their equipment in the room. Show them the hot spots to avoid. Show them how to walk to their work area while avoiding all the radiation barriers. Another specific example is reactor building closeout time, perfect to use for recording the final walkthrough to satisfy the NRC and be used by engineers for planning the next outage. For planning engineers, this tool is perfect for planning your work activities coming up during the next outage without having to go into the plant. And for everyday work, those all-important pre-job briefs will never be the same. Now you can walk your crew through the plant to their work area, show them the layout of the room, show them the potential dangers, Show them the hazards to avoid. Show them where to set up their equipment. Actually let them see the components that they are about to work on. VMAP Nuclear will improve safety and help get the job done better and more effectively. In emergency preparedness, you can now show workers the escape routes, gathering areas, and actually walk the path. This could become standard in the training for all general access personnel. Some key benefits of using our 360-degree video mapping over other standard picture taking and standard video solutions. Recording of the routes through the building is very quick as you can walk. There is no aiming or focusing involved, so nothing to slow you down. Recording paths are all stitched together by the software in post-processing so that you can later choose any combination of paths to build a route through the building to your destination. Also, these paths can later be re-recorded or new ones added to the recorded database. What are your next steps if you are interested in this technology? Contact us to set up a meeting at your location. We will bring demonstration software and show you how it works. You should give some thought as to which buildings you would like to record. Talk to your different groups at your site to see how this could benefit them as well. Remember, we record the video maps once, but many different groups can still use the same video for their own purposes. We can install different secure viewing locations within the same site. In particular, you might want to discuss our live streaming system to your security force manager and ALARA group. This could be very useful to their surveillance needs. Here is our contact information. Send us an email or give us a call, and a representative from VMAP will be happy to speak with you. Thank you.